Hello guys, today I have got a Redmi Headphones Neo and I'm going to show you how to manage the mono audio on your Android phone. At first open these settings and make sure that you are connected to your headphones right now. As you can see, I am. If you are, that's nice, we can go further. Go and scroll all the way down to the accessibility. Here in the accessibility, you need to tap hearing enhancements. Now, here we've got mono audio, as you can see. We can enable mono audio or disable mono audio, as you can see right here. When we tap it, we can see if we want to have it for connected audio, like for our headphones only, or phone speakers also. That's it, goodbye.